This 2024 Winnebago Minnie 2801 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 32 feet 5 inches in length and features a cobalt interior, sleeps 10, external shower, LP detector, awning, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, water heater, TV, carbon monoxide detector, oven, stovetop burner, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Minnie 2801 BHS is 6,784 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.